My name is Sudan, the land of ancient kingdoms and enduring heritage. I am where the two Niles meet, weaving life and civilization across my soil. I am the cradle of the kingdom of Kush, a kingdom that forged greatness and wrote history with its pyramids and wisdom. I am the land of plains and mountains that witnessed the resilience of my people. The Nile flows through my veins, nourishing my people and carrying the legacy of generations. My people are noble and steadfast, their hearts filled with generosity and pride, creating hope and unity with every step. I am Sudan, a land of infinite horizons, where the echoes of the past guide the promise of the future, and the story of my greatness is proudly told across the world.